Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Let's get started. Click the Facebook app. Next, click the three little lines in the right-hand corner. Great. Scroll down and click Settings and Privacy. Great. Next, click Settings. Now, you're in Account Center. That's where everything is. Click Account Center. Scroll down and click Personal Details. Perfect. Now, Account Ownership and Control. Now, click Deactivation or Deletion. We're going to click the Facebook one. Now, we're going to deactivate it. It's pretty much the same thing as when you delete, but you're going to deactivate, which only lasts 30 days. You put in your password, click Continue. Just putting in my password. Great. Now, you're at the point where your Instagram pops up again. My Instagram is connected to my Facebook. Since my Instagram is connected to my Facebook, I would have to put in a password first. Then I would put in why I'm deleting it, my Facebook, and then I would click Save Changes, and then my Facebook would be deactivated. Just like that. It's pretty much the same as when you delete your Facebook, but you're deactivating it. Same steps. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.